I wish I did this thing from beginning. This gun was under the rain. It got rusty here. Yağmurun altına kalıp küflenmiş. Nobody really make a Desert Eagle dismantle and mantle gun. How to dismantle this thing, how to put them back together. Assembly and disassembly. Very simple. Not very simple. I don't know how many people they have a Desert Eagle. But number one, this thing, there's a little piece here. This piece, it has to go upside like this, upper, right? And this piece goes like this on top of it. They have to lock it on each other. I wish I have a better light. See this piece here? Okay, let's go like this. I need to get a better camera. They're like this, but this goes like this. They lock on each other like a hand to hand, almost like a handshake. What's wrong with this thing, stupid thing? Okay, here we go. Let's go like this. Yeah, this thing has to lock on this one. Like this. Number one. After that, this thing goes like this. Upper. This little notch has to go up. After that, you gotta put this thing on there, lock it. This thing must lock in. And this is the little tricky part. After you lock in, you gotta put the gun back. Okay. That's it. Okay, once you put this thing in, and what else we do from now? Okay, once you put it, okay, this is in there. Now you gotta put this thing in there some kind of way. It just, I think there's a little gap here. Come on, light, stupid light. You see, there's a little gap right here. The barrel fell down right in the gap. The barrel fell down right in this gap right here. There's a gap right there. The barrel fall down right in there. Okay, fall down in there. Now you push it back. Make sure you don't jam your hand. I always jam my hand. Once you do this thing, you gotta push this thing back here. The pin. There's a little pin here. You gotta push that pin. Okay, let's see. Yep. This pin right here. This is the little pin here. Locks the gun, unlocks the gun. You push them back. You push the slide back. You push this thing my way. You push this thing my way. Okay, but the slide has to be all the way back. Bang. Locked up. Yeah, this thing was rusty. It stopped working. It just got rusty. I have to separate this thing with a screwdriver. It was under rain. I didn't pay attention. It has been only just some water touched it, and it has been sitting. The little parts inside the spring, old metal, they got rusty, and I couldn't open this gun like this. This gun wasn't working. It wasn't opening because this. You see this bottom part? The bottom part was locked up. And I have to put a screwdriver, I have to put a screwdriver right here, push the barrel back, everything. make another video one day. We can make it again, but I don't want to make too much video with this thing. This thing is very easy to open, you know. You gotta watch this come. Don't jam your fingers. I jam my fingers many times. What you do, you push this thing back. Bang. Push it up a little bit. Bang. This thing fly out. This thing come out. And this part come out too. You want to keep this thing upside down like this. And this part here is a tricky part. It doesn't matter. It's sitting on there. Yep. It's sitting on there. It's kind of weird, but now we drop the barrel in there. Drop the barrel. Drop it, push them backwards, and go like this. You see, I almost stuck my finger again there. Don't do the same mistake like I'm doing. Ah, come on. Okay, now you push it back. Push the gun back a little bit, or pull it back, whatever. Like this pin. It's not that hard. It's not easy either. You just gotta play with this. I put a lot of oil in there too, you know. It's not that hard, but most people, they don't show you the two clips. They have to lock on each other like this. They have to go tight. Notch on the other piece has to go in the little hole on the metal notch. You can lock it. I hope I show you better video, but next time I make another video about this.